Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to find and replace text in Word. Let's get started. Firstly, I have to open Microsoft Word file and take some paragraph for example. Now we go to find drop down menu and select find option. Now we can find any line or word. Here I find a word like computer. Now I select computer to find and replace. We got 5 result. Now we replace this word computer to calculator. Select replace icon. Now if you want change first word, then click replace. If you want replace the all word where you can see computer, then select replace all. Press OK. Now we can see here replace the all computer word to calculator. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.